Welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a snack, but it's not going to be for people. This is going to be for our furry friend. We are making puppy bites. So I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, nutritious snack for your best friend. My best friend has 4 legs. How about yours? Let's get started. All right, to make your own dog treats, it's actually very simple. We're just going to put our ingredients in a bowl, mix it together, and then roll them into tiny little bites or balls, however you want to do it. We're going to start with a half cup of rolled oats, 2 pinches of ground cinnamon. Now, of course, a pinch is going to vary depending on the size of your fingers, but it's 2 pinches of cinnamon. We're just going to get this mixed in together. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of pumpkin. I buy just the plain pumpkin puree, the stuff that you buy for your pumpkin pies at Thanksgiving. Make sure that it's 100% pumpkin because you don't want any other spices or anything getting in there that might harm your dog. And a 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. Yes, my dog loves peanut butter almost as much as I do. We're just gonna mix that up. All these foods are dog friendly. Your dog is not gonna get harmed from eating any of this. But pumpkin and peanut butter are very good for them. And I was pleasantly surprised to find out that they could eat oatmeal. All we have to do now, once we get it good and blended, is to roll it into a little ball, just like that. We're gonna dip that into oat flour so that it's coated, and then it's ready to give to your pot. That's it, plain and simple. This should make about 16 balls. Of course, you can adjust it based on your dog's size. You do not want to overfeed your dog treats. They're just like us. If they overeat, they get too heavy. So keep that in mind when you're feeding your furry friends. And of course, the real test is with the fur baby. This is Kate. Sit. Good boy. Is that good? Yeah, you want another one, huh? That's good stuff.